Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Sayyidah Fatima Zahra, every Tuesday and Thursday she would go out of Medina towards the land of Uhud, and she would sit and she would weep by the grave of Hamza. She would remember the bravery of Hamza and the bravery of RasoolAllah in the way they gained victory over the mushrikeen. She would sit and she would make a tasbih from the turba of the grave of Hamza, and she would glorify Allah as she would weep. Sayyidah Fatima Zahra spent her days in her house missing RasoolAllah. When Bilal came back to Medina, Bilal was sent to Sham. He came back to Medina and then he went back to Sham where he was exiled. When Bilal came back to Medina and he asked about Sayyidat Nisa'il Alameen, Sayyidah Zahra said, "Oh Bilal, why do you not recite the Adhan? Recite for me, because your voice reminds me of the Adhan at the time of RasoolAllah." Bilal went up and began to recite the Adhan. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Sayyidah Zahra said, "I bear witness there is no Allah, there is no God but Allah." And when he reached the part and said, "Ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasoolullah," when Zahra heard Muhammadan Rasoolullah in the Adhan, she began to weep until she fainted. Amir al-Mu'mineen sent a message to Bilal, "Oh Bilal, stop the Adhan lest the daughter of Muhammad dies out of grief."